Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be unboxing my very first scent box. And so this is the packaging that it came in. Super pretty and it's blue. And so if you haven't heard of Scentbox, Scentbox is a monthly subscription where you get to choose a fragrance of your choice. There are different types of subscriptions, which is the regular, and there's a premium. You still get to choose your fragrance of your choice. And the only difference between the premium and the regular is that I get, well, because I have the premium, the only difference between the two is that I get premium options. And also there's another one where you get premium options and you get to choose 2 fragrances for the month. They do have a free exchange of just one time where you get to exchange the perfume that you got if you don't like it. And you can also cancel at any time. And so this is the one I got. It comes with, like I said, the free exchange and then a thank you note with a coupon in the back for a full-size bottle. And so this is the one I got here. Super pretty. I love the blue. There is another company called Scentbird, and the reason why I went with Scentbox is because Scentbird, you get these atomizers only I think like every 3 to 6 months, and with Scentbox you get it with every single shipment. So what it looks like when you just twist it and pull it out, and this is how much you get inside. I did spray a little bit yesterday because I wanted to give it a try, and I think I did about like 6 sprays. So if you spray about 3 times a day for a whole month, this should last you. So I don't really go out much, and so this should last me about a month and a half or 2. And so my fragrance was the is Flower Bomb by, I can't remember the name, so let me pull it up. I got Flower Bomb by Viktor and Rolf, and this is a floral scent. It smells so good. It has black tea, jasmine, orchid, patchouli, and rose. So those are the notes, and it says here that it is aromatic, modern, romantic, and perfect for the winter. And I definitely agree. I would definitely wear this in the winter and fall, not so much summer. This is definitely not a summer perfume. It smells so good. Oh my gosh. And I'm so excited to order some more because I don't really own many perfume bottles. I only have 2 at the moment, which is the Tom Ford Black Orchid, and I got this one for free with Influenster. And if you're interested in Influencer, I'm gonna link it down below so that you can test it out, because with Influencer you get to test out free products for a review. And I got this entire bottle through Influencer. This one here is very strong. A whole different opposite scent of the Viktor and Rolf Flower Bomb. This one is more cologne-y. It smells like a cologne. And I also own this one here. I don't know the name. I know the name, but I don't know how to pronounce it, so I'd rather not say. But I'll put the name down below. This one smells really good too. It smells so good. It's like a warm scent. I feel like it has a scent of vanilla and florals for some reason. I need to see if it's true. So yeah, it does have vanilla. I can definitely smell that. It's like a sweet vanilla, fruity. This is why it smells so familiar, because it has the patchouli in there. It's woody, powdery, white floral, earthy. And so yeah, they're both sweet, but I feel like this one's more warmer. It just smells really warm, and this one is like perfect for, like I said, for winter. And so yeah, I own just those 2 perfumes, and so I'm so excited to keep collecting these little bottles here. If you end up liking the bottle, you get to order through the website to get the full-size bottle. So that's all you get with Scentbox. If you guys know of any other perfumes, because right now I'm looking at ordering. Well, I'm looking at getting the Daisy Love perfume because I really want something very fruity, but florally, not too old lady scent. So if you guys have any suggestions, please let me know down below. I would really like to know, because I don't really shop in stores. I'm just really just reading the reviews and just taking notes. So if you have any suggestions and recommendations, please let me know down below. And yeah, so I'll be doing more reviews on the next boxes I receive. And yeah, if you're interested, I have a link down below for Scentbox where you will get a free perfume, and so will I. And so take advantage of that. I will see you guys in the next video.